Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how elephants drink water with their trunks? I mean, why don't they just sip from their mouths like us? And how do they manage not to choke? Here's the deal. An elephant's trunk is basically a super muscular nose. It has no bones but over 40,000 muscles. Compare that to just 650 in the entire human body. It's super flexible, allowing them to pick up something as tiny as a coin or even paint. But wait. Elephants don't drink directly through their trunks. They suck up water about 3 liters at a time, then spray it into their mouths to swallow. Think of it like a built-in straw. And that's not all. Trunks also help them smell, eat, and even swim long distances by acting like a snorkel. Cool, right? Subscribe for more wild animal facts and hit the bell for notifications. See you in the next short.